If you are looking for Notepad alternative on Windows, Notepad++ is one of the best options around. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can download and install Notepad++.
So the first step of actually getting into Notepad++ is downloading and installing the app. So for that you need to head over to the official Notepad++ website, or you can just Google download Notepad++ for Windows. It's only available for Windows, and here we are. So notepad++.org is the official website. We'll head over there, and in the download section, it'll generally open up on the home page, but if you go straight to the download section, you will see that the current version is 8.6.5 and it's available as a download here, and you can scroll down and download older versions if that's what you're looking for, or if you want a specific version. Once done, just click on this and it'll show you multiple installations based on what your system architecture is. So most people are running a 64-bit system, so you can either download the installer or portable zip files, which you can just extract and use. You can do the same for 32-bit systems and for ARM systems as well. Alternatively, since Notepad++ is open source and it's freely available across the internet, you can also download the source code and check it, look through the code, compile it yourself if you want. So let's just go here and click the download button, and that should start our download. Yes, thank you. Alright, once this executable file has been downloaded, just head over to your system, double click this, select yes, and select a language. Next, I agree. Select your destination folder for the installation. I'm just going to install it on my C drive. And this is where it will ask what components you want to install. So you can leave this pretty much to whatever it is, because Notepad++ comes with a bunch of components that you can install, but you can just select the minimalist install and it will only install the components that are required for the program to function. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead with the custom install. So I'm going to select all of these things. Auto updater, I am not going to use localization because I don't use any other languages, and then context menu entry. Click next. I don't want to create a desktop shortcut. This should be enabled. Okay. Alright, so if you use Notepad++ in a USB device, for example, if you carry it around with you on a pen drive, you would use this feature to sort of load and write configuration files more easily, but other than that, we're good to go. Click install, wait for the process to complete, and once it's done, it will show the completion screen. Click finish, make sure this is checked, and Notepad++ should boot up. And that's how you download and install Notepad++ on Windows.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comment section below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.